The individuals taken birth on 20th August are impacted by the planets known as Moon, Neptune and the Sun. Your zodiac sign is Leo. The foregoing planetary union indicates that your intellectual attributes would be revealed more prominently. Subdue to your planetary alliance under which you have been born is corresponding to your disposition that will soar high your intellectual and social level. This will store utmost good faith in the heart of people and will assure many opportunities to climb on the ladder of progress. Male and females will fetch popularity among the people of their opposite sex. You will go through exemplary experiences of romance and idealistic love affairs. Your outstanding skills will get recognition through your remarkable contribution in the arena of art, music, literature and drama. Prestigious position will be yours in every domain of life and proficiency will be exhibited through your managerial and ethical skills. Loyalty will be reflected in maintaining relationship with your friends and relatives. Due to possessing generous and big heart, no one will become your rival despite being disagreed with your ideas. Your desire is to view only the virtuous traits of others, and if it can be possible, then you ought to throw light upon their virtuous attributes. You will be able to develop the skill of eloquence and impressive writing and will surpass the boundary of excellence as being a judge, preacher or teacher. Your insight will be sharp in context of other individuals, not from the perspective of criticism, but to understand them and to make them understand your outlook. Economical condition. You will be regarded as fortunate in money matters, but you will not give more value to money. Strange sources such as souvenir and legacy will provide you money, but for being so kind, you may become poverty-stricken sometimes. Your intellectuality will enable you to earn money. Except running business, you will be indulged in the professional practice of delivering speech or in art, music, writing fields or other supplementary profession. Health. Being alert and conscious about your health is advised to you and you should not waste your energy. Lung and throat disorder may also create worries and put you on the bed of rest. Irregularity will be noticed in the beating of heart and blood circulation. The most vital number for you are 27, such as 2, 7, 11, 16, 20, 25 and 29. You ought to utilize these numbers and dates while carrying on your work projects. The number that induce positive effect of the Sun and Uranus are 1, 4, 10, 13, 19, 22, 28 and 31. You ought to put on the mentioned auspicious colors in your outfits. Moon, all shades of green color, cream and white. Neptune, all shades of grey color. The Sun, yellow, golden, orange and golden brown. Uranus, grey and light colors. The fruitful gemstones for you are pearl, moonstone, topaz, sapphire. The most significant years in your life are 2, 7, 11, 16, 20, 25, 29, 34, 38, 43, 47, 52, 56, 61, 65 and 70. You would have crush towards the persons born on 2, 7, 11, 16, 20, 25 and 29. These are general predictions for the person born on 20th August. If you have any specific query, then you can write in comment box or mail us. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and share these predictions with your near and dears. Thank you.